I thought because today is a really nice day outside, and by really nice I mean it's sunny but there's snow on the ground so I can't leave the house, I thought I would give you a little tour of my apartment and what I've done to make it accessible for me. So first off is this giant window that's super overexposed, but first off is my front door. This is where Oakley's harnesses and vests go. I also put my keys here as well as his leash. Up here I have this little reminder to lock the door and a little checklist of do I have Oakley, my purse, compass card, keys, phone, shoe. Now I'm outside the door, but also on the outside of the door I have another thing that says lock the door because I have a bad habit of not locking my door because I just forget. I also out here have a pink fluffy carpet because sometimes I don't feel super well and I need some fresh air, so I'll go and lay out on the carpet and that really helps. As you can see, I have a lot of sitting space. Ooh, overexposed. So this is my lovely couch. It has a blanket, it has pillows. This also pulls out, so it's like a little bed. That's his favorite spot. And this is Oakley's little area. He's got his toys and a blanket on his bed. Sometimes I will sleep on that bed. I have a rocking chair, which is super stimmy. And another chair, and another chair, and 2 more chairs. Now if we wander over like 3 feet in front of us, we have my calendar setup area. This has board games and stuff I need for school there. And this is my wonderful calendar that helps me live my life. So I have my pain and symptom tracker, which I showed you in my how I manage my chronic pain video, as well as just like a regular calendar. This is also something that was in my managing and tracking my chronic pain video. It's my little checklist thing. Now, directly across from that is my desk area. And this typically has laptop stuff, school stuff. I don't have any there because I just started. But under it I have coloring books and a little tray table so I can do homework in bed if I need to. Up here is another important thing. I don't have any notices up right now. And then up here I have what I need to buy, and then if I have change of interpreters for class, I write it down, or any important notices for class. It goes on this bottom half of the whiteboard. This is my beautiful kitchen. It is great. Some accessibility things I have in this kitchen. I have little red bits of tape so I know which way the cupboard's open. I usually have a meal schedule planned for the week. Up here I have a little reminder, is the oven off? Just in case we wander from the kitchen to my bedroom, you will notice these 2 things. This is my morning routine. It has pretty much everything I need to get ready in the morning. And then I also have my nighttime routine. I also have this on my bathroom door because when I get up in the morning, I'm not going out into the common area yet. An accessibility thing for my room is I have this little organizer and I have all the clothes that I need for the week if I get changed because I don't always leave the house, so I stay in my pajamas. Ta-da! It's my bedroom. So over here we have a little beanbag corner so I can chill if necessary or get comfy. Nothing super fancy about my bed. It's pretty low to the ground so I can sit on the floor and transfer up if I need to. This is my junk corner. My crutches chill over there. I have a little sensory corner down here. It's got some sequiny pillows, a squishmallow blankets. It's got this stuff and squishy balls as well as slime and stickers. I mentioned before, this is my junk corner and my dog's butt. Those are where I keep my crutches so I can get them from my bed if I need them. And you know what, I might as well show you our disgusting bathroom because why not? A little reminder how to brush my teeth. Brush my teeth for 2 minutes, floss, mouthwash. And I have a little thing down here that says flush the toilet. Really, it's pretty simple. I have KT tape and a massaging thing if I need it in the morning. I mean, this is all pretty standard stuff, nothing really accessible here. Down in this drawer is where the magic happens. This little drawer has everything in it, everything that I will ever need in my life. I have Tegaderm, gauze pads, rolled gauze. The reason that this apartment is accessible is because I have a lot of visual prompts around my house, as well as I have a lot of areas to sit because I do deal with chronic pain and vertigo and all of that. So I do need lots of different places to sit. So I need to be able to crash on the couch or on the floor and have a blanket and just chill out for a little bit. Also, it's wheelchair accessible, so if I'm using a chair that day or if I need to use my crutches, I'm able to get in and out of my apartment super quickly, and everything is typically within reach. Accessibility looks a little bit different for everyone, and this is what makes my apartment accessible to me. I hope you enjoyed this little tour. I hope maybe it gave you some ideas for what to do if you move into your dorm room or apartment. Thank you so much for watching this video, and I'll see you again soon.